A very good morning, children. I am Gagan Bhatia, your SST teacher from Springfields Public School. Hope you are fine and taking care of yourselves better. Let us start with the new topic, formation of political associations, that is given on page number 99 of your history books. There were many associations which were formed during the 19th century, and a few of them have been given on page number 99. British Indian Association, Bombay Association, Madras Native Association, Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, Indian Association, and the Bombay Presidency Association. Children, all these associations were formed because they wanted to reduce the taxes and end the discriminatory practices which were started by the Britishers. So, a conference was also held in Kolkata in the year 1883. Let us read about the Indian National Congress, which played a very crucial role in the history of India. That is also given on page number 99. Surendranath Banerjee was very busy in organizing his conferences at Kolkata, and he wanted to create an association which would be under the supervision of the Britishers. The meeting convened by A.O. Hume, whose picture you can see again on page number 99, was held at Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College, and which came to be known as the Indian National Congress. There were many important leaders like Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Firoz Shah Mehta, Badruddin Tayyabji, etc. There is one map which is given on page number 101 of your history books that is related to all the important sessions of the Indian National Congress. These are all the places where the Indian National Congress sessions were held, but we will be marking only a few places out of all those places which are given on page number 101 of your books. In my next lecture, I will be asking you to mark only those places which have to be done by you in your history notebooks and are important from the examination point of view. That's it for today, children. Thank you. Please read the chapter up till here. Bye bye, children. Stay home, stay safe.